Hi class, my name is Kevin Gomez. I am 24 years old and I like to watch movie and work. I live in Neighbor City. On vacation, visit the Tatacoa Desert in Neighbor. I am studying industrial engineering and my hobbies are preparing cocktails and swimming. Eh, Preparing green apple martini recipe. Ingredients ice with bourbon, gin, apple syrup, uh, 10 15 and 2 ounces of white bourbon, 2 ounces gin, 1 ounces of apple syrup, and process to shake 10 ingredients inside 10 shaker for 15 seconds. Never go over 10 pounds. Shaker. Uh, Finally, is it always served martini glass and garnish to test. Bye bye.